already know how this thing finna go. We got SCR over here in the cut, and he ready to go. Very dirty. I need to wash it up real quick, but it's about to rain, and I gotta make a couple errands. So we're just gonna go on a little POV featuring this guy. So yeah, everybody been wanting some more YouTube videos instead of the short stuff. So we're gonna get back to making some long videos. Gonna go to my dad's shop real quick, pick up some stuff over there, and then yeah, hopefully on the highway we found something to run into. Get some nice little runs real quick. All right, so I just had somebody tell me at my dad's shop that the power that I'm making on a front wheel drive car can never be streetable. So I'm taking for a ride and see what he thinks. All right, let's go.
Y'all think y'all shit fast? I put money on this shit. I swear to God. This shit crazy, bro. This the best 5 minutes. Bro. I get off and turn around. Yeah, your brain is crazy too, bro. Oh yeah, they don't play. I ain't gonna lie. Them bitches, that shit look like we put go in the back of that shit. It's like the front seat. The front wheels, bro, that shit pulling me in the seat like, come here, nigga. What the fuck? Like a roller coaster, nigga. that shit, dead ass feel like a roller coaster. That shit really. I don't know if that shit was third gear the scariest one.
same thing.
I don't know how I would do that, bro. I need my little A to B. I'm good. It's the 6 speed that came with this one?
Yeah.
You ain't have to build a transmission or nothing?
Not yet.
God, and it's moving like that.
Moving like that.
It don't feel like it's gonna break it all. Feel like
Nope,
it feel like
it feels good.
No. Yeah, you don't want no smoke. You don't want no smoke. I promise you, bro. I promise you, Tesla, bro. You don't want no smoke.
OP as fuck.
Shit's scary,
How your legs and shit shaking. Look at your hands
bro.
shaking.
Sandal crackers not catching this shit. I ain't shaking. Fuck that, bro. The way this shit just playing on the road, bro. Imagine you ever took it to the track?
Not yet. I'm going too soon. I want to see. I want to see what
Where the track's in Orlando?
OSW out there in Buffalo on the east side, I believe that is.
Shit, let me know, man. I'm gonna go car over to shit.
Yeah, I want to
meet
take
some shit.
I ain't been in a hot minute because the car was down for a little bit. I just had said fuck it. Well, that was fun. Pretty sure he changed his mind. Raining right there only. Everybody want to come to Florida so bad. So it's raining in your front yard and the sun shining in the back. Then you want to go back where you came from. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Just a little short video. I know that's too long, too crazy, but something to put back on the internet, you know. I know everybody be waiting for YouTube videos, full videos, so here we go. Made it back home a while ago. I was getting ready to go get some food, and then it started raining like crazy. And I definitely don't want to drive this car in the rain, so probably gonna go out there and get my little Max. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all for watching. I will for sure be making more videos soon. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, share the video. I'm for sure gonna be getting back more consistent on YouTube now that I got the car running 1000%. I'll probably do a build breakdown on the video. I mean, a build breakdown on the car sooner or later too. But yeah, with that being said, see y'all on the next one.